the petal mantras of Agya Chakra. So I'm sure you all must be meditating every day and you are enjoying the meditation. That's what is important. It's a wonderful journey, as I told you all. And if you do it every day, you must have already started seeing result in you, the positive result, the positive health gain, mentally and physically. That you must have started seeing it, you must have started seeing those changes and enjoying those changes. That's what I want. And the stress level must have reduced, or you are able to manage your stress level. And if you were suffering from insomnia, blood pressure, uh, then migraine, acidity, you must have noticed that it has, you are able to manage it. It has either disappear completely, or you can manage it very well. That I'm sure if you're doing it every day, you can see these results, because they are bound to happen with everyone, anyone. And even the aches and pains, if it's you were suffering from backache or your spondylitis, you must have seen that that has reduced, or you are able to manage it very well, because we have been meditating. We have been the sessions are on since May, and we are already end of this year. So all these results, all these things are bound to happen. You must be seeing it. And today we are going to talk about Agya Chakra and the petal mantras of the Agya Chakra. As I told you earlier, that the Sanskrit language, it has 50 alphabets, and they have been decorated on the petals of these chakras. So we have already spoken about the 48 alphabets and 48 petals. If you count once again, four in Muladhar, six in Swadhisthana, that makes 10. Then 10 in Manipur, that makes 20. Then 12 in Anahat, that makes it 32. 16 in Vishuddhi, which we spoke and we discussed about last Friday, that makes it 48. And now the last two petals with two alphabets, the last one, which are located on the petals of Agya Chakra. So today we are going to talk about, and we have already discussed about the qualities. So all the qualities we have gained, so we have already discussed all those qualities that we possess, we all have inside. But because of the Maya, we forget them, or we get into the negative cycle. But with regular meditation, you must be seeing that all these qualities have become quite powerful in you, and you're enjoying your life. That's what it does. So, what are the qualities that we enjoy when our Agya Chakra opens up? Again, Agya Chakra, which is located, we have already discussed in the previous sessions, that it is located at the meeting place of our all the three nadis, that is Ida, Pingla, and Sushumna, the sun channel, moon channel, and the central channel. And it is located at the third eye region, deep inside, and it controls the functions of our pituitary gland and few function of also the pineal gland, they say. And along with that, we have the Bindu Chakra. Bindu Chakra is located right behind that, in the same on the same line of Agya Chakra. And when we meditate, we tend to open up both the chakras at the same time, the Bindu as well as the Agya Chakra. When that opens up, the chakras, and I told you all that the Ida and Pingla Nadi, which starts their journey from the Muladhara chakra, crosses each and every chakra in turn and ends over here. But Sushumna Nadi continues its journey and ends at the Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra. And this is the third eye chakra, where Ida and Pingla, the left channel, the right channel, the moon channel, and the sun channel, or you can say yin and yang, ends here. You must have heard in the Chinese, they say that you will enjoy your health, You will enjoy your physical health, mental health, when yin and yang in your body, that is Ida and Pingla, are well balanced. Then we enjoy our life to its fullest. That's what the Agya Chakra is all about. So two petals, that means two nadi intersect at this place. And what are those two nadis? Those two nadis are known as Ida, Pingla, right, left, sun, moon, yin, yang, and their journey ends over here. Okay. So can we have that petal mantras audio visual, Raviji?
Yes.
Agya Chakra has two petals, and the Sanskrit letters are Hum and Shank, to be chanted as
Yes, chant along with it.
These mantras should be chanted for minimum 7 times. After this, chant the Bish mantra Om for minimum 3 times.
So all these chakras, as I said earlier, they are enriched with qualities. So what are the quality of this chakra? The quality of this chakra is when it opens up, it is well balanced. It gives us wisdom, the higher intelligent level with complete wisdom. That's what it does. And at the same time, we start understanding the presence of our atma, our soul. That's what it does. It is the doorway to the inner realm. Otherwise, as I said, because of these five indriyas, jnanendriya or sense organ, we always live in the outside world. We never see this. But once this chakra opens up, this becomes completely well balanced, then we start our inner journey. That is, it opens up the doorway to the inner realm, and it gives you an introduction with yourself, with your soul, and you start seeing what is right, what is wrong. And along with that, there are so many things, because again, all these chakras are connected with some planet. As I told you, that our body is a mini universe which exists in this huge universe. Whatever exists in the outer universe in a miniature form, our body has. So this Agya Chakra is controlled, you can say, by the planet that is Jupiter. Jupiter and Neptune, that these two planets are controlled by Agya Chakra, or vice versa. You can say that these two planets control the Agya Chakra. And Neptune and Jupiter is said to be the teacher, the guru, which actually once awakened. As I told you earlier, that once we meditate regularly, whenever we are ready for the higher realm, the guru, the teacher, appears on its own. Without even searching for the teacher appears in front of us, and holding our hand, it takes her to the higher journey. And as I told you, this chakra is controlled by Neptune and Jupiter. Jupiter is said to be the guru, the the planet. And at the same time, this chakra, when we chant these petal mantras, Hum and Shank, we start balancing these Ida and Pingla. Because once Ida and Pingla gets balanced, our Sushumna, the central channel, automatically opens up. And through which, if the prana, the flow of prana is in the upward direction through the Sushumna Nadi, it opens up all the other chakras. That's what it does. So, uh, should we see that petals again, once again, or people have understood that this has two petals and you all know how to chant it? Before we do the meditation, if you have any doubt, you please ask me now. I've already discussed about the two important quality that this chakra takes care of: the wisdom and the journey towards the inner realm. So, do we have any question?
I forwarded a picture of the Agya Chakra,
I know I saw that.
so everyone should have it.
So, I think it will be much better to the question answer before we do the meditation.
Can you name the planets connected with each chakra?
Yes, I can. But why do you want me to write it down and send it, or what?
Sorry?
Do you want to write it down now, or you want me to put it up on the chat?
Why don't you send it to me and I'll forward it to everyone?
Fine, I will do that. I will do that.
Thank you.
Because there are places on the earth also which is also connected. Like, for example, Rishikesh. When you meditate in Rishikesh, that's in India, in the northern part of India, there your Agya Chakra becomes very active over there, because that is the center for Agya Chakra. Then one of the chakra is in Scotland, and that way there are different places on this earth, just like planets. And there are gems also. You must know that all the different gems, this like this chakra, once we wear proper diamond, then the size of diamond. Diamond is the gem of this chakra, Agya Chakra, diamonds.
So you'll be sending one to each of us?
You want all those? The gems and the place on the earth and the planets? Okay, I will do that. There are ragas. What all do you want me to send? There are different ragas for different chakras. Once you play that, that chakra automatically gets stimulated. It gets active. Ragas. Then there are notes, musical notes. I've already told you about all the alphabets that are connected. So whatever you see on this earth, everything is connected with the chakras. I've given you about the 5 sense organ. They are also connected with the chakras. 5 work organ, they are connected with the chakras. Our auras are connected with the chakras. All the 5 elements that our body is made up of are connected with chakras. So whatever you know, there's a connection.
We have a question. Jupiter means guru, but what does Neptune mean?
It's just a planet that is controlled by this chakra, or these planets control this chakra. There are 9 planets and 7 chakras, obviously.
Our next question is, I'm understanding Bindu Chakra activates with Agya Chakra. Is it right?
Yes. Because the Om of Agya Chakra is for Bindu Chakra also. Because they are in the same line and the stimulation happen at the same time. Okay.
What are
Yep, you can read it out.
What are the Hindi equivalents of the Jupiter and Neptune?
I'll give you all in writing. That'll be much better. Hindi, Jupiter is known as Brihaspati in Hindi.
There's a question here, but I'm unable to understand it. What chakra is connected Tonshani?
On?
What
Sorry?
chakra is connected Tonshani to Shani? Oh, Shani. Okay.
Shani, Saturn. Saturn is connected with your just give me a minute. Manipur, Sun is let me give it to you, all of them in writing. So I'll give you all the chakras. If you want to write it down, you can. Saturn is connected with your Muladhara chakra. So the ruling planet of Muladhara chakra is Saturn. Then the ruling planet of your Swadhisthana chakra, if you want to know, is Pluto. Pluto. Okay. Then the ruling planet of your Manipur chakra is Sun. Sun and Mars, both. Then the ruling planet of your Anahat chakra is Venus. Venus is again considered the love guru and all. So you can see that connection. And Sun is the power. So whoever whoever opens up their Manipur chakra properly, it's the hub of power, but not ego. Okay. So Venus is for Anahat chakra. Then Vishuddhi chakra's ruling planet is Mercury. Agya chakra, I told you, Jupiter and Venus, and Neptune. And Sahasrara chakras is Uranus.
It's hard for me to get the vibration in Muladhara. Feels like it stops at Manipur. Why is it, you think?
Sorry to ask you, but are you very fearful by nature?
Well, they can't answer.
So, slowly, or if you have not, how many months since you are doing your meditation regularly without missing out a single day? So you have to see to it that you're practicing it every day. If you have less time, you can practice the smaller version of meditation, not to miss out. As I told you, that everyday meditation create that security shield around you, which is a must. Any kind of meditation to be done regularly is a must. It cannot happen that you do it for 3 days and don't do it for 2 days and again 2 days and then 1 day miss out. No, every single day. Like it is just like food, how you consume every single day, you cannot remain hungry. So you cannot let your mind be hungry. You have to manage that. This is the food for your mind.
Okay.
Yes.
I think let's start with the meditation.
Okay, fine. So meditation will take about 45 minutes, if I'm not mistaken.
47.
40, maybe. Yeah, 47 minutes. So let's start with that. And I'm sure you will enjoy it, since if you are doing it every day, you will have a lovely time doing it. So enjoy your meditation.
Thank you.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Take your positions. Sit with your back straight, with your hands in Gyan Mudra, resting on your lap. Close your eyes and relax. Relax every part of your body. Now, focus on your breath. On the flow of your breath. Be it fast, slow, rhythmic, non-rhythmic, equal or unequal. Focus on the temperature of your breath. Feel the coolness of the air on the inside of your nostrils while breathing in. Feel the warmth of the air on your upper lip area while breathing out. Now, with your eyes closed, look on both sides of your nose to stop inner eye movement. Let's begin with Omkar. Begin. Now, Brahmadi. yourself for Anulom Vilom. Begin. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Jalandhar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Now square breathing with Gayatri Mantra. Begin.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Now it is time for chakra meditation. Mooladhara chakra, located above the anus. Visualize a red lotus with 4 petals, with the golden yellow square at the center, yantra of the earth element. Let us begin with the petal mantras. Begin. Wang Shang Shang Sang. 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 Now, Beej Mantra, begin. Lang. 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 Now, Swadhisthana, located just below the tailbone. Visualize an orange lotus with 6 petals and a crescent moon in the center, yantra of the water element. The petal mantras begin. Bang.